Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another reaction, man. We're here with Rick and Morty episode 2. This one's titled Lawnmower Dog. And last episode, the introduction, the pilot, was a super interesting, freaking hilarious episode. We had Rick and Morty going into some like portal thing, trying to go get this seed that Morty had to put up his, to bring it back to their own dimension so that Rick can continue his experiments pretty much. Some interesting stuff happened right there. In that whole episode was crazy as hell. And I enjoyed it. It was super funny, hilarious. But anyways, let's get straight into episode 2 now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the reactions. If you did, subscribe, like, share, comment, alright? Anyways, let's start it right now.
Outside?
Bro, this is all dog owners, man. This is all of us.
Are you kidding me? Come on!
Oh my god.
What's
Oh,
wrong?
shit.
You're idiot dog!
Oh, he didn't mean it, Dad. Did you, Snuffles? You're a good boy.
Don't praise
You're a
him
good
now,
dog.
Morty. He just peed on the carpet. Bad dog. Bad.
Jesus.
Come on, I need your help tonight.
What are you
Hold
doing?
on a second, Rick.
All right, Ruffles. What's his name? Snuffles. Snuffles. Shake. Roll over. Go to the bathroom.
Oh no way.
Yeah, you're at the top of your game now, Jerry. Have fun. Come on, Morty.
He's probably gonna take them over now, huh?
Yeah, Morty, if you like that.
Has to
You're
be.
Really gonna listen. Tonight, we're gonna go into the home of your math teacher, Mr. Goldenfold. And we're gonna incept the
Oh.
idea in his brain to give you A's in math, Morty.
And graduate.
In the time it took you to make this thing, couldn't you have just, helped me with my homework? Are you listening to me, Morty? Homework is stupid. The whole point is to get less of it. Come on, let's just get over there and deal with it.
Oh my god, this is gonna go. This is gonna be amazing. We're gonna see some weird shit in the professor's head, aren't we? Oh, this is just like Toy Story 2.
Let me get to know you, damn it.
Uh-oh, spoilers.
Spoiler.
Season behind.
Oh,
Rick,
I can't believe we're sitting around standing around in Mr.
Oh
Goldenfold's house.
shit.
It's really.
It's getting weird now.
Take control of this plane. We're gonna 9/11 it unless Morty Smith gets better grades in math. Hey, I said nobody move, buddy.
The name's not Buddy. It's Goldenfold.
Goldenfold. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Got more control here than I anticipated. Killed in someone else's dream. You died for real, Morty. What?
Oh my god, you could have said that beforehand.
Don't be a baby. You avoid getting
Don't be a
shot for
baby.
real.
Oh
Morty.
shit.
Just do the same thing here and we'll be fine.
Oh no, he's gonna put more batteries. Oh no, something's gonna happen now.
Goldenfold.
The more batteries it has, the more smarter he becomes.
Why would I negotiate?
Want anything bad to happen, and because I have a human shield.
Mrs. Pancake!
No, not her. Not Mr. Pack. Not Miss Pancakes.
Morty, subconscious.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Relax, Morty. Look, pancakes is a parachute. Come on. The inevitable.
Oh my god, man, this episode's crazy.
The inevitable. Oh man, Rick, this is pretty weird.
What the
Don't judge, Morty.
god?
Okay.
Some dominatrix shit.
Right over there. Whoa. Summer.
Hey there,
His sister.
what do you think of these things?
Oh hell no!
Gross.
Get the hell away from me!
Calm down.
Come on, old man, little boy. Let's make an intergenerational sandwich.
Oh my god.
Oh my, fuck off! Yo, hit her with an RKO.
Time to go another dream deep, Morty.
Oh my god, we're going even deeper now. Oh shit, he just knocked him out. Oh,
To your nightmare, bitch!
oh shit.
Oh, here we go. Holy crap. Looks like some sort of legally safe knockoff of an 80s horror character with
I'm Scary Terry. You can run, but you can't hide.
Scary Terry. Hey, shout out Boston Celtics.
What you got?
A sophisticated predator, nature's perfect killing machine, the vicious wolf, stalks its prey with purpose and skill. It was only with years of selective breeding and genetic altering that this noble beast was transformed into man's subservient little buddy.
Oh, this is a bad idea. He's gonna kill them all. The dark side. Airbud. Yo, little girl, whoever the hell you're.
the little girl.
Oh. Oh my gosh, he's just back in it. Oh my god. We're fucked, boy. Oh shit. Serial killer happening.
Where are my testicles, Summer?
Oh my god.
Where are my testicles, Summer?
That's an intense line of questioning, Snuffles.
Do not call me that. Snuffles was my slave name. You shall now call me Snowball, because my fur is pretty and white.
Okay, Snowball,
shit.
calm down, okay? Go on one of our famous midnight family walks. Yeah, totally. Let's go.
Oh my god, he recruited an army.
When it is time to walk.
Oh my, yo, this show's so freaking crazy. I love it. I love how crazy it is.
Here for again? Accepting. We're trying to get me to get an A in math. Oh yeah.
Buckle up, bitch.
Oh shit. This motherfucker just everywhere.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Oh, this is perfect, Morty. Look at that. He's getting sleepy. Just a little bit
Oh
longer.
shit, we're gonna enter his dream now.
That's when we make our move. Looks like Scary Terry's having a nightmare. Oh boy, Rick. I can only imagine what horrible things must, scare Scary Terry. Hey, leave him alone! Yeah, this is a bunch of bull crap. Who cares what stupid pun you make when you kill someone? Why don't you let the poor guy say whatever he wants?
Bitch.
I never reached the stand.
Perfectly scary enough as it is. Hey, yo, Scary T, don't even trip about your pants, dog. Here's a pair on us, fool.
Oh,
Fucking Morty.
You don't need to say anything. We got you, dog. You're our boy, dog. Don't even trip.
Oh, you gotta get cut up.
hey, it's you guys.
I haven't seen him this relaxed in years.
If you guys ever need anything, just say the word.
Oh,
As a matter of
watch the
fact,
throw.
Terry, there is something you could help us with.
You are.
I always hated that song. These halves don't belong together, bitch.
Jeez.
Sex is sacred. Just because you don't give Morty Smith good grades, bitch. Holy crap, goddamn.
I know one thing for sure. I'm giving Morty an A in math.
Holy shit. Yo, this episode's so freaking crazy. I don't know what the...
Out of the
Gentlemen,
He's gonna piss on the carpet?
See that? I'm peeing all over your special guns. That means I own them.
That person.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, great plan, Jerry.
Bring the boy to me. You were always kind to me, Morty. That's why I will leave you with your testicles. From now on, you will be my best friend and live by my side.
Thanks, Snuffles.
He's his apprentice. Oh my god, he's gonna chop everybody else's on.
Fighting continues as the dog army captures the eastern
Oh my...
It appears clear at this time the era of human superiority has come to a bitter end.
The dogs took over, man. The dogs took over. What the...
Thank you, Fido. Rick, I thought you were dead. No, I was just playing dead. Good news, though, Morty. This whole thing's gonna be over really soon. What? It's a dream, Morty. We're in your dog's dream. The night the dogs captured us, after you cried and crapped your pants, we all went to sleep. Then I used my dream inceptors to put the two of us inside Snuffles' dream. Stupid.
Morty has his own
Oh, man.
food tray within the...
I like this life. Well, at least I didn't really crap my pants. No, that happened before you went to sleep, Morty. You're sleeping in your crap right now. Out of all the things that happened to you, that was the only real thing that, is you crapped your pants. I mean, it's a mess out there. I got some on my hands, Morty. And I got it on the dream inceptor, and a piece fell in my mouth.
Oh,
man,
jeez, bro.
Seriously? Are these pills supposed to wake me up or something? Close. It's gonna make your kidneys shut down. What? It's necessary for the plan, Morty. Don't even trip, dog.
We got you, G.
Pretty bad.
Oh my...
Snowball. We're gonna need to do another operation.
Anything for my precious Morty. To hell with my kingdom bean counter. I would trade it all for my human's health.
Oh,
Do you think they would have done this?
you evil son of a gun, but you love your owner. As a dog owner, I love you, Snowball.
I'm gonna miss you, Snowball.
You can call me Snuffles, Morty. And I'm going to miss you too. Very much.
Peace, Snowball. Snuffles. Man, take your tears back, you little... Shit all started because of you, Jerry. Okay. Oh my god. Yo, this show's amazing. Jesus. Jeez. How have I not watched Rick and Morty yet, man? But, yo, I just love these adventures between Rick and Morty. Rick Sanchez, man. Rick Sanchez, you crazy old man. I love this show. We're gonna experience some crazy things. But anyways, cool idea here with the dogs, right? I think because we've all thought about that, right? You know, anybody that's a dog owner, especially when you have like a little puppy and he's growing up, you know, and he makes a mess around your home, and you know, you're like, damn it, why can't you learn? Why can't you learn it? But yeah, the bad idea by Jerry's part, trying to make telling Rick to make the dog smarter, man. I'm tired of him taking the shit in my freaking house. Cool idea. The little dream thingamabobber that they put inside someone's ear is crazy as hell, because Professor, what was his name? Goldfold? He was having some crazy ass dreams, man, and jeez. But super hilarious. The first one where they were inside the plane, that's them doing a little terrorist attack. Freaking racist also, because freaking Morty's over here with a hijab on, right? So fucking Morty, you son of a bitch. But anyways, freaking the professor started throwing wheat thins, cut them up, had machine guns, and obviously Snuffles started becoming super smart. He realized, yo, there's only one battery in here, let me put some more in. And that's how they ended up conquering the world. They end up going in the woman's dreams, her dreams or whatever. Then they met the sister inside there, so that's the professor having a crush on the sister, right? That's pretty much what it's supposed to mean. That was just weird, man. That's just weird. Weird interaction. But yeah, super cool episode. Hilarious as hell. Obviously the dog part, then becoming more smarter and taking over the world. You could tell that was going to be the progression of the whole story, this whole episode. But everything else was just freaking hilarious. Him trying to, Rick and Morty trying to help Scary Terry over here becoming, you know, having more confidence in himself, right? And that's the only way they were able to escape, with his help. Him killing the freaking little girl over there singing when they were being chased in the hallway. You know, oh, that was just funny. Killing the centaur also. Killing the woman. And all of this whole episode, this whole interaction, all these bad events, just to give Morty an A in math. Oh snap, I love this show. But yeah, cool episode. I freaking enjoyed it. Freaking hilarious as hell. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the reaction also. And if you did, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Make sure to share the video. That's the only way the channel's gonna grow. The reactions are gonna get more views, more interactions between all of us. And yeah, see you guys next time for Rick and Morty episode 3. Alright, peace.